To find the MAC address on your iPhone, open the Settings app and scroll down and tap on General. Then select About, which will open a screen showing your iPhone's basic information. Now scroll down through the list until you see Wi-Fi address. This is your device's MAC address, a set of characters separated by colons that uniquely identifies your iPhone's network hardware. This is the value you'll need if you're setting up MAC filtering or need to register your device on certain networks. Don't confuse it with the Bluetooth address or other entries nearby. Make sure you're copying the Wi-Fi address specifically. You can tap and hold the address to copy it directly to your clipboard if needed. There's no save button because this screen just displays static info tied to your hardware. Once you're done, you can back out or close settings. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, hit subscribe for more fast and clear tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want me to cover.